Namaste, Hari Om. How are you all? So I'm traveling, so we are not making a proper, video with a setup. But I just thought that I need to talk to all of you because I had been receiving a question since past many days repeatedly. Guruji, please tell something about the problem of overeating. Oh, I eat a lot. I have no control over my food. Sometimes I think that no, 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 I don't have to eat anything. But then food comes in front of me and I end up eating just whatever is there, and I end up eating more than my appetite. So there are people who suffer from the problem of overeating, and in today's episode we are going to talk about that. Now, generally we think overeating is a problem which is a problem of your food, a problem of your mind. Yes, of course, mind plays an important role, but there might be few other factors which might be the reason behind your overeating. Now, one such factor is considering your thirst as your hunger. Now we call it dehydration, since whenever we are dehydrated, we feel that I'm hungry, but basically you are thirsty. So one important factor is misunderstanding thirst as hunger. So for that, what is the best remedy is drink lots and lots of water. So I had been talking about drinking water very often, and you must have heard me saying that very often. So we follow a rule at Bharat Yoga, which is a very good rule, and trust me, this one rule can stop this problem of overeating. What is that one rule? That is, before every meal, 30 minutes before every meal, take 1 or 2 glasses of water. So if it is, let's say you have your breakfast at 9, then 8:30 have 2 glasses of water. You have your lunch at 1:30, 1 o'clock, take 2 glasses of water. You have your dinner at 7, 6:30, take 2 glasses of water. This way, this will help you in managing this problem of overeating, and you will not be confused between hunger and thirst. And since you will be hydrated, so you won't overfeed yourself. This is the first thing. The second thing is taking too much of stress and thinking too much about your weight loss. So many people are taking stress of their weight gain. Oh, I have become so fat. Oh, I'm eating too much. Now what happened? We call it stress eating, right? Many people talk about stress eating, and these days we have given it so many names. Stress eating, some time back I was taking, there are several courses of, since Mokshaitan Yoga Sansthan is among top yoga organizations of the country. So other than having our physical classes and courses at our different centers, we have special online programs also. So I was taking a class of the teacher training program on diet, and one of my student asked me one question which was very surprising to me. He said, somebody asked about stressful eating, and then he asked about love eating. So I said, what is love eating? He said, love eating is when your mother loves you a lot and she cooks very tasty food and you overeat that. So whatever name you want to give to this, whether it is love eating, whether it is stress eating, or mindless eating, or eating, basically it is overeating. And factors that are, the reasons behind, it's not only always stressful eating or always love eating. Reason is, one is, as I told you, maybe you are dehydrated. Second is, maybe you are too much under stress. So what to do for that? Practice Yoga Nidra. So we will be sharing the link at the description box. Make sure that you practice it every day, and Yoga Nidra can help you in relieving your stress. So generally we think that doing so much of exercise is the only way to lose weight, but then relaxing your mind is yet another very effective way of losing weight. Now, third is, you are sleeping less than what your body needs. So we feel that we are eating because of these factors, but then lack of sleep is also one factor that contributes in overeating. So what we need to do is, we need to take ample sleep, and we need to it's not the quantity of sleep that matters, it's the quality of sleep that matters. So for that also, if you will practice Yoga Nidra every single day, this can help you in relaxing your body and mind, in making your metabolism better, and in getting sound sleep. So let's do a quick recap what we have to do to say goodbye and to control our overeating. One is stay hydrated, take ample amount of water. 3 to 4 liters of water is mandatory if you want to lose weight, and follow the rule of Bharat Yoga. Before 30 minutes of each meal, drink 2 glasses of water. Second is do Yoga Nidra every single day. We'll be sharing the link at the description box. Millions of people worldwide have healed their severe problems through Bharat Yoga Nidra. Third is make sure that you practice a little bit of meditation, spend some quality time outdoors to relieve your stress and to have sound sleep. And fourth, and very important, which we have not discussed yet in this episode, is that take some natural sweets in your food. So I'm not saying you eat sweet, but people say if you eat sweets, you can gain more weight. No, if you eat artificial sweets, you will gain weight. But if you completely cut off sweets from your diet, you will have cravings and you will end up eating more. That's the problem, overeating. So what we have to do is we have to include some natural sweets in our diet so that we stop we can control our craving and this problem of overeating. So you can have jaggery powder, you can have sweet fruits, you can have dates, you can have raisins. So this in a moderate amount, you must add it in your diet. So follow these 4 rules. I'm sure your overeating problem will become history. And also you can follow this and let's see how it works. And still, if you have stubborn fat and you really want to lose weight and you want a systematic method to lose weight, then you can join our online weight loss program. Millions of people have lost those extra kgs and have also done inch loss through our weight loss program. And best thing is now it is online as well. So it's not a recorded program, it's just that you enroll for it, and Monday to Friday from every month, first of every month, we begin this program for 1 month, and it is 6 to 7 in the evening India time. And you can join that. It's a beautiful combination of diet, mind therapy, and yoga abhyas. So every day we practice yoga abhyas. A special diet is being given to you as per your physical condition, and also a special meditations and special mind therapy techniques are being done to control this overeating and several other factors which are contributing to your weight gain. So you can just WhatsApp at 9599945964, our WhatsApp number of our office, and you can get the details and also check the link in the description box. For today, I think that's enough. And we are going to meet very soon again. Lots of love, light and blessings. Stay happy, stay healthy. I will be seeing you very soon. Till then, you take care. Lots of love. Hari Om. Jai Hind. Vande Matram.